If you are in trouble, financially, physically, something bothering you regarding your health, spiritually, the people who complain hasad, the people who complain jinn, complaining regarding marriage stuff, your kids giving you a hard time, some co-workers giving you a hard time, your boss, your work, your business, whatever gives you a hard time, this is treat number one. And it's happened with many people, alhamdulillah. As-salah ala nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Keep repeating salah ala nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, but not 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 times or 100 or 200. Try to make thousands. It will take long, yes. 1,000 times may take 3-4 hours from you. Salah Ibrahimi, the top salah, Salah Ibrahimi. Okay? But the cure or the treatment is guaranteed, inshallah.